Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to show you has been checked and verified by the experts in this shop, so take a breath. This does have a solution. If the message Service RSC Now appears on your Ford, the first thing to do is stay calm. It doesn't mean your brakes are about to fail or that something exploded under the hood. This warning is related to the stability and traction control system, which works together with the ABS to help you keep control of the vehicle, especially when cornering or driving on slippery surfaces. When the system detects something out of the ordinary, it protects itself and turns the warning on. So why does it show up? In most cases, it starts because the computer is receiving incorrect information from a sensor. The most common one is the wheel speed sensor. If a sensor is dirty, damaged, or sending erratic signals, the system thinks one wheel is spinning differently from the others and shuts itself off as a safety measure. Many mechanics report that simply cleaning or replacing that sensor makes the warning disappear. Along those same lines, another common cause is a failing wheel bearing or wheel hub. When a bearing starts to go bad, the sensor reading becomes unstable. From the outside, you might not hear any noise, but for the computer, that's more than enough to trigger the alert. In many cases, replacing the entire wheel hub brings everything back to normal. If the sensors and wheels check out fine, then it's time to look at the electrical side. A weak battery, unstable voltage, dirty terminals, or loose cables can confuse the electronic modules. The steering system, ABS, and stability control all depend heavily on proper voltage. That's why it's not unusual for this message to appear simply because the battery is getting weak, even if the car still starts normally. In other situations, the warning shows up suddenly and then goes away on its own. This is usually a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, performing maintenance, or even after driving over rough roads. Many mechanics recommend turning the car off, disconnecting the battery for a few minutes, and reconnecting it to reset the modules. Sometimes that's all it takes. But if there's a real problem, the message will eventually come back. If the warning becomes constant, the next logical step is a professional scan. Not a cheap generic scanner, but one that can read Ford's ABS and stability control modules. That's where the exact trouble codes show up, telling you whether the issue is a sensor, the ABS module, the steering angle sensor, or even a communication problem between systems. This helps avoid replacing parts blindly and wasting money. In less common cases, the problem may be in the ABS or RSC module itself, or it may require a software reprogramming. Some Ford vehicles have shown this warning due to internal module failures, but mechanics agree on one thing: that's almost never the first thing to fail. Before going that far, sensors, the battery, connections, and wiring should always be checked first.